my friends, Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and welcome to our latest video where we delve into the world of online marketing. So today, we're going to be exploring the boundless advantage of this dynamic field where your potential for success and freedom knows no limits. So let's dive in, shall we? See, online marketing presents a world of unlimited potential. Unlike traditional jobs, there's no cap on how much you can earn. Your income directly reflects your efforts and strategies, offering a unique opportunity to achieve financial freedom. Whether you're looking to make a little extra or aiming for the stars, online marketing paves the way for both. See, one of the greatest perks of online marketing is the ability to set your own pace. You're in the driver's seat, choosing strategies that aligns with your confidence and comfort levels. This personalized approach means there's never, ever any pressure. With the right mentor and mindset, you're all set to carve your path to success. See, freedom is at the heart of online marketing. This field liberates you from the traditional constraints of time and money. Imagine developing a strategy that requires just an hour of your day, giving you the rest of the time to enjoy life. Whether it's lounging on a beach, exploring new destinations, or just simply relaxing at home, online marketing fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Picture this, you're sitting oceanfront, laptop in hand, sipping your favorite coffee. The soothing sound of the waves accompanies your work. This is not a dream, but a real possibility with online marketing. The flexibility to work from anywhere in the world isn't just a luxury, it's a reality for those in this field. As we have seen, online marketing offers limitless potential, unparalleled freedom, and the flexibility to live life on your own terms. If you're driven, equipped with the right mindset and guidance, the sky truly is the limit. If you are ready to unlock the unlimited potential of online marketing and join a community of like-minded, heart-centered entrepreneurs, visit freedomlifebusiness.com. Here, you will find resources, guidance, and a supportive network of individuals who are all driven by principles and passion. Don't miss this chance to transform your life and business. Head over to freedomlifebusiness.com to start your journey towards success and freedom. Remember, in the world of online marketing, the sky is your limit, and we are here to help you soar. Thank you for watching. If you're inspired to start your journey in online marketing or simply want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates on our latest contents for more insights, and become a part of this empowering journey today. Here's to your success in the limitless world of online marketing. Make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams no matter what they are. Bye for now.